Guys, how are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment and share. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming back to watch the video. If you are watching on Facebook, if you're watching from Facebook, please like the video. Follow me on this platform. Follow me on Facebook. Click the like button, share the video so that it will get to many people. Yes, guys, you can see this picture here. Some of us must have seen this person. Maybe you know his name. Maybe you have seen his video. He was one of the people that fighting against anyone who questioned the US of IPOB. If you know him, of course you understand what I'm saying. This guy in this video was celebrating the interrogation of Simon Ekpa by Finland police. He was one of the people who, celebrated online and was shouting and praising God and thanking God for the arrest of Simon Ekpa when he wasn't being interrogated before the election. Many people don't understand what they are supporting. That's what I find out here, because when you listen to him and what is happening now, somehow you'll be ashamed of him. But I did not bring the video to mock him or other people like him. No, it's not to mock anybody. I just want us to learn something from this video. What is it that I want us to learn? You see, when you want to criticize people, make sure you do it diligently. Make sure you have make sure you have your facts and figures, because if you are doing it blindly, or you are just doing what you think that you are right, it may go back and bite you back. It may not be the way you expected it to be, because most people believe that Simon Ekpa was this and Simon Ekpa was that. He's a criminal, he's an infiltrator, he's here to destroy the struggle, he wants to hijack and control, blah 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 blah. And most of them that are doing this have never watched Simon Ekpa broadcasting. Some of them don't even know how he broadcasts, because even Bible said, from the abundance of heart the mind speaketh. You say what your mind and where your mind lies. If you're a criminal, your mouth will confess it without you knowing. That is nature. So people that followed him for years knows what he stands for. And most of all that are like this man, trying to blackmail and talk ills about Simon Ekpa, don't know the reason why Mazen Americano recognize him and commend him for people to follow him. That's a reason. Because if Mazen American is your leader, you should know that your leader knows what he's doing and he has his own idea, and that idea goes in line with what Simon Ekpa is talking about. Forget about that he's being kidnapped and he's not anywhere to pass information like he normally do. Namorikano still remains the leader of IPOB and he is well respected. If you followed him, you understand what he wants and what he believes in. But this man is here celebrating that Simon Ekpa was arrested and being interrogated. Let's assume that Simon Ekpa was not getting it right. Let's assume that he's faulty. As an Igbo man, as a Biafran, do you supposed to come online to celebrate like this? That's the problem that we are having. Igbo hate themselves. Some people say that the problem of Igbos is an Igbo man. And when you look at the whole thing that is happening, how Igbos are being sidelined and being manipulated and being marginalized, you understand the root cause of it is from an Igbo man somewhere, somehow contributing and paving ways for people to do the nonsense they are doing against Igbo in the entire race. Just hear what his man is saying. Just listen to him.
Indian need of autopilot. Sit at home. Nyagawa prison. Nyaga no do there. Okocho no sit at home. Nyagawa there. Kareba wa jeno. Simon Ekpa ezenagu. Gaba ni ime prison in Finland. On ke kan job na Russia na cho
You see how he's wishing Simon to be in prison and being, persecuted. You see the joy, how he was vibrating, rejoicing and celebrating. This is so sad, It's very, very funny to watch, but somehow when you read meaning into what he's trying to say here, you find out that he's fooling himself.
Simon said they ready answer terrorists. When the DOS na-agwa si onye ọbụla nọdụ nwayọ n'ọkwa ka esi eme ihe ọ dị mma nwayọ I happy.
You see the level of foolishness. Someone who never said that he's ready to answer a terrorist. Someone says he's ready to bear the consequences, that he's ready to fight back, that he's ready to become a monster. A monster is not a terrorist. What he's trying to say by being a monster is to face you iron to iron, to stand still and defend the people and defend the land. What is his gain? Simon is not standing to gain anything, in fighting. People don't know that what Simon is doing is even causing him more harm than good. He's bearing your burdens. He's bearing your pains. He's facing people that you couldn't face. That's the truth.
Simon said they ready answer terrorists. When the DOS na-agwa si onye ọbụla nọdụ nwayọ n'ọkwa ka esi eme ihe ọ dị mma nwayọ ka anyị hapụ imelụ arụ.
He don't know that what the US trying to say was that you should calm down so that they will complete the assignment they have signed with the people that kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. That's just the truth. You are a member of DOS or you are a supporter of DOS, you don't know meeting after meeting. That meeting that you think that you are part of, there's another meeting behind the door, and you can never ever know what happened there.
Na ha chọrọ ịbụ terrorist, na ha ga-eme nka oluon FBI ndị Finland emeda ga arrest. Gabadi aga me sit at home. In a prison.
Olodo, look at you. FBI is not belong to Finland. He's a Finnish police, not FBI. Okoko. Can you just imagine?
Group ndị chọrọ sit at home, so no Simon na Finland, no ya uno di me prison ya sit at home no rikele. Umokoko.
Yeah, he sweet you so much, right? He sweet you that your brother is being persecuted for your own good. People think that Simon Ekpa is paying anybody to defend him or that. No. If you are a human being, you see, when somebody is defending you, fighting for you, the only thing you can give is support. Simon, if not because of Simon, by now, how many IDP camp do you think will be in Igbo land today? If not for Simon. People that the Nigerian government is not, easy for you to stand against them. You need to prepare very, very well. It's not something that you can just wake up and start arguing or championing protests and all that. A country where you cannot protest with the flag, not just Biafran flag, even the so-called Nigerian flag. Remember, during the time of NSAS, people were killed with Nigerian flag, not Biafran. With the Nigerian flag, they shoot them to death. They shoot them and kill many of them. They lost their life. A lot of people died with Nigerian flag, not Biafran flag here. So a country where you cannot protest, a country where you are not allowed to protest, it is very, very clear. And this man is here yapping nonsense. That is another lie. Pure lie. There's no group from Simon that shot anybody. This unknown gunman has been there even before the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. He's there. And who is behind the unknown gunman? I don't have the information, but what I heard is from member of this DOS, this so-called DOS. They are the one that formed that unknown gunman. That's what I heard. I didn't say that I have the information. I didn't say that I witnessed. I saw someone saying the same thing, explaining and analyzing how unknown government was formed. After tracing it, you find that it's from the US. That's just the truth.
Simon Ekpa. Free. Possible now.
Today, I was told that this very man that is talking now is very, very down. And some people say that he's blind. Some people say that he cannot even stand up. I don't know about his health condition, but from what I'm hearing and knowing fully well that this man don't spend 1 month or even 3 weeks without coming online to make video before, and he's nowhere to be found now. It sounds like that rumor is truth. So, but I'm not sure. But that's what I heard, that he's very, very down. Some people say that he's blind, he can't see anymore. After making this nonsense video and find yourself in that condition, it doesn't sound well at all.
Sit at home. About the logo, okay, you show 30 years there, you show 40 years, 50 years, you put again.
So funny. He's making fun. Anyway, your video is funny to watch, but it's totally nonsense. You are talking rubbish. You're talking out of the context. Anyway, guys, I just want us to hear what he's saying and tell me what you think about people like him. A lot of them, not this man, not only this man, a lot of them, they are not fully member of the what's it called, DOS. They are not fully member of DOS. Some of them are just media warriors, making content without proving any fact, without being honest, without saying it the way it is, without trying to analyze, forgetting that people that listen to you have brain to also assimilate and to comprehend what you have said. Some of them don't think that other people can reason as well. They can see. They are not even blindfolded in social media. They can see what is going on in social media. So they just decided to pass information, whether it's real or fake. They want to just do it the way they want it, and that's all, which is not possible, because people have eyes, they have ears, they have friends, peers group to listen and communicate with, and to know what is happening around them. Anyway, guys, I just want to show this to you. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye.